this one, please put a big 5 star here. 100% must come out every exam. Okay, and use your highlighter to highlight this one. Andaian prinsip tanpa dasar. So which is in your textbook, page 21. Textbook, page 21. All clear? 5 stars, 100% come out, okay? So please, this one you must memorize. What I mentioned for you, or ask you to write down the 5 star or 3 star must come out in paper 1 or paper 2. So you must listening and remember it. Okay? So that one is must keluar or mostly keluar. You don't skip it. Like this one, teacher already mentioned must 100%. Don't give up for this undayan prinsip tanpa dasar. Must come out every exam. No matter you are Form 5 now or Form 4 second exam now. So must come out. Okay. I know you don't like for it, but you have to remember it. Okay. So next continue. Okay. So you see undayan. Undayan, we got a 4 undayan. So you see we got a 4 undayan, which is the entity parasingan. Usaha berterusan, wang sebagai ukuran, tempo perakaunan. Okay, so these all things. Okay, okay, so the meaning is over here, but in exam, they don't ask you about the meaning. They're giving you the case study. Okay, they're giving you a story. So later on, I will show you, which is in page 4. Page 4, okay, the story. Okay, so and then they ask you to give the answer. Okay, so but here teacher do some explanation first. Okay, so you see, entiti berasingan. Berasingan, you know the asing? Asing in English is separately. Okay, can this one is separately. Okay, what does it mean? Which meaning that, okay, the meaning is your company is separate with your personal things. Okay, which means is company and your personal one is different. Okay, not equals. Okay, not equals. Okay, okay. Next, continue. Usaha berterusan. Berterusan, you see, berterusan, continue. So, is your business can continue running or not? Can operasi or not? Okay. Wang sebagai ukuran. So, this one is nilai mata wang. Nilai mata, you know. So, now you are in Malaysia. So, our currency is RM. So, for your account, you also must write in RM. Okay, so you see my account here in future. Okay, wait me a while, I'll show you. Nah. So in future at the end, okay, so your account you must bring RM, RM. Okay, RM, RM. Okay, nah? Okay. So if let's say now you are in the China, right? So China, you're working in a China, so you're working in China or one of the account company. So the wang sebagai ukuran, that one is yuan, right? Okay, can tempo perakaunan. This one is the date, direct. So you put a bracket there, direct. You put a bracket there, direct. Okay, can Okay, so we look at the case study here. You may turn to page 4 now. Page 4, you see? Page 4. Okay, so they will giving you the, wait me a while. Okay, so in exam, they will giving you this all case study, giving you this all story. Okay, So, you see, Ongjat Rahman, pemilik Pasar Raya Jaya, membawa masuk komputer peribadi untuk kegunaan pejabat. So, you see, bring the own laptop, computer for company use, right? Okay, again, so this one is under what concept? Under what concept? So still remember just now teacher already explained to you for berasingan, okay? So which is separately, okay? Separately, can which is separately, okay? So you see, for your peribadi and your perniagaan is asing. So you see, peribadi and perniagaan, which means is pejabat lah. Okay, so this is under concept. The jawapan is entiti berasingan. So for paper 1, you got a A, B, C, D to choose. For paper 2, for your first exam, paper 2, so fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks, which means you have to memorize it. Then you list down the jawapan. Okay, so kata kunci, keyword. This one is the keyword I teacher provide to you. Once you see the peribadi, kegunaan pejabat, perniagaan, you add on membawa masuk. You add on there. And then one more, mengambil or ambil. Okay. So this one is a keyword. Add on, everyone. Because you all not like the primary school, right? Okay. So I don't like ask you to after write down, then all take a photo and send me, right? Okay. So please add on. Okay. So continue. Continue. So you see the second one, laporan kewangan perniagaan KI disediakan bagi urus niaga yang berlaku dari 1st June 2015 hingga 31st May 2016. You still remember teacher already explained to you? Okay. So just now ask you to write down direct, correct? So what is the answer? Direct. Teacher asked you to write down the direct. Okay. Wait me a while. How come like this one? Okay, so you see for tempo Perakaunan, so they got just now teacher asked you to write down direct, right, on your notebook there. All right. So this one got give you the direct highlight here, direct. So keyword you see direct. So the jawapan is tempo Perakaunan. All clear? Can? Okay, so going to next, wang sebagai ukuran. You go to the Pak Abu here. Pak Abu here. Pak Abu seorang tukang gunting rambut mengenalkan bayaran RM15 bagi setiap pelanggan yang meminta perkhidmatan menggunting rambut daripadanya. So you see RM15. RM. So the jawapan is wang sebagai ukuran. Okay. And the next one which is Raja Sendirian Berhad akan terus beroperasi untuk satu tempoh masa yang tidak tetap. Keyword highlight. Beroperasi. So just now teacher asked you to highlight already, which is usaha berterusan. All clear? Can catch up? Later on we do the exercise. Okay, next come back to prinsip Perakaunan. So just now is undayan, we got a 4 undayan here. And then going to prinsip Perakaunan, we got a 3 prinsip here. So you see here, 3 prinsip here, which is, the first one is ketekalan. The second is prinsip cost. The third one is pengiktirafan hasil dan belanja. Ketekalan, which means is the kaedah. Thai dah, which means formula lah. Okay, usually this one is you bracket for the susut nilai. Still remember what is the meaning of susut nilai? Come, Afiq, what is the meaning of susut nilai? In English, we call depreciation. In Chinese, this one. Okay. So, susut nilai meaning that, let's say my laptop here, okay. So for the, when I purchase, which is a 5,000, after teacher use 1 year, maybe reduce to 3,000. So already reduced 2,000, that one, the reduced price, we call susut nilai. Okay, reduced price, we call susut nilai. So for reduced price, we got the 3 formula. Okay, can ah? Okay, so keyword susut nilai. Prinsip cost. Prinsip cost, harga belian. Highlight harga belian. Bukan harga pasaran. What is the different? Teacher, harga belian and harga pasaran, what is the different? Harga belian, which means the price when you beli. Okay? Can ah? Cost price. This one is a cost price. Okay? Can ah? Okay, next, what is the harga pasaran? Harga pasaran is market price. Okay, so this one is market price. Market value lah. Okay, can ah? So we always record the cost price. How much you beli. Record the harga belian. Okay. Next, continue hasil. Pengiktirafan hasil. Chapter 2, you learn hasil already, right? That's why this one is the meaning of why, the purpose why teacher teach you chapter 2 rather than chapter 1 first. Okay. Hasil. Apa maksud hasil? Apa? Give me contoh hasil. Come, all of you one by one to give me the contoh. Starting from Afiq. Everyone come, send me a message. You can to the public or the direct message. Afiq, Aisyah, Gerard, Naru, Ketli, Wong Rong. What is a hasil? What does it mean, hasil? Income. Very good. Give me contoh income. Like. Money from where? Your money from where? Yes, commission. Diterima. Sama. Sever. Diterima. Sama. Discount. Diterima. Okay. Can ah? Okay, so this one we call hasil, and then jualan, also one of the hasil. So for hasil, because some terperoleh is terlebih terima. Terperoleh, which means is terlebih terima. You may write down there. Okay, again, hopefully you all do the revision every week. Don't last minute because you are not focused on account subject, right? At least average you all take 8 subject, correct or not? Okay, don't last minute. Last minute, sure your result is not good. Okay, so for the belum terperoleh, hasil belum terperoleh, which means is terlebih terima. Hasil belum terima, which is terkurang terima. Okay, it is opposite with terperoleh. Okay, so because some of like let's say some of your clients, okay, so they're not you are not received on time. Okay, so let's say commission diterima. So maybe you are not received on time. So maybe the kurang receive. Okay, so belanja, come, give you the contoh of belanja. Who can give you the contoh of belanja? Come, everyone. Belanja. Aisyah, Afiq. Gaji. Very good. Okay, sama? Company expenses. Yes, give me contoh company expenses. Come, I give you all one. Yes, very good. Insurance. Okay, very good. Okay, so what is the meaning of kada bayaran? 2 weeks. I explained you 2 lessons ago. What is the meaning of kada bayaran? For example, bill air, bill electric, bill telephone, bill Wi-Fi, bill anything else, extra. Okay, so all included kada bayaran. Kada bayaran. All clear? So of course some prabayar, you know, pra. So prabayar, which means is terlebih bayar. Okay, terlebih bayar. Atau belum bayar. Belum bayar which mean kurang bayar loh. Okay, kurang bayar. Can? So what does it mean, teacher? Okay, let's say give you a contoh. Let's say now is April, correct? Now is in April. So let's say you have to pay the tuition fees. April lah, correct or not? April tuition fees lah, right? Okay, but because of maybe your daddy, mommy too busy, so they still didn't pay pro fees. So that one we call the kurang bayar. We call belum bayar. All clear? So as long as you know this all, you see teacher already mentioned in your chapter 2, hasil and belanja, you must remember, right? So otherwise, then you do know already, lor. You do know the answer, lor. You have to differentiate. Oh, this one is hasil. That one is belanja. Okay. So we go to see the case study, the situation. Okay, you see this one here. Turn to page 4. Page 4. Buan Dayana, accountant, firma kenangan, menghitung susut nilai kenderaan. Highlight. Menggunakan kaedah garis lurus. Bagi penyediaan penyata kewangan tahun 2015, beliau menggunakan kaedah pengiraan yang sama. So you see keyword, jenis-jenis perniagaan. Okay, this one put 5 star also. Okay, put a 5 star here, also must come out in your first exam. Okay, can? Okay, so this one you can bracket lo, jenis-jenis perniagaan. Yeah. So we got the 4 types of the jenis-jenis perniagaan. One is the milikan tunggal. Second is perkongsian. Third is syarikat berhad. Fourth is koperasi. You may turn to, if for those who are using 2 books, so you can turn to your buku text, you may turn to page 26 as well. Page 26 as well. Okay, page 26. Can? Okay, milikan tunggal. Tunggal, which means is one person. Okay, so which is one owner sahaja lah, one boss only. Perkongsian in English we call partner. Okay, we got the 2 partners. Okay, one is his normal partnership. Second is professional partnership. What is the difference? Professional, which means professional line lah. For example, clinic, dental, clinic, and then law firm, accounting firm, which means it's a professional line business, the job. So they can up to 50 partners. Partners, you know the partners? Pekongsi is partners, okay? 伙伴 I think in Chinese we call, okay? Can I? So next continue for biasanya. So let's say like kedai dobi, car accessory. This one is not considered professional line. So if not considered professional line, you just maximum up to 20 people. Okay, 20 people to run the business. Can I? Syarikat Berhad. Berhad. So you see, we got a Syarikat Sendirian Berhad and Syarikat Awam Berhad. So once you go to signboard, maybe tomorrow, you go to the school, so you check the signboard, okay? So if let's say here they write down kedai perabot Sendirian Berhad. This one is short form for Sendirian Berhad. SDN represents Sendirian Berhad. So minimum 2 people, maximum 50 people. Okay. So if let's say you pass by the bank, maybe you pass by the bank, so you will see, let's say you pass by the Maybank. So you will see Maybank, then M Berhad. Maybank Malaysia Berhad, like that. Only one word, Berhad. So that one we call Awam Berhad, public Berhad. Okay, so minimum 2 shareholder and no maximum, unlimited shareholder. Okay, Koperasi, for example, like golf club, and then badminton club. So that one is koperasi. Lion club, Leo club. That one under koperasi. So minimum is 50 people, no maximum members. Okay, all clear? Okay, sumber modal. You know the modal? Modal in English is capital. Okay. For those who want to leave early, of course, it's only for Muslim student because you want to prepare the buka puasa, right? It's okay. So you may leave early, but please after teacher, maybe you can check tomorrow. So teacher will upload the video by tomorrow morning. Usually it's afternoon like that. So you all check it, and then if still cannot get the latest video, so please PM me. Maybe I forgot already. You must watch back again, listening the explanation. All clear? Can I? Okay, so this one is a sumber. Welcome, sumber modal. So this is the capital. Okay, in Chinese we call, because you want to do the business, everything you have to money you got the money so the money we call capital. So for milikan tunggal, so this one is the money from where? From the owner. So for the perkongsian here, okay, partners, so the money from all the partners. For syarikat berhad, Sendirian Berhad, from the pemegang saham. Okay, for the person who buy the share, who buy the saham. All clear? Okay, koperasi, which means is dikumpul daripada anggota. Okay, the fees. Okay, and tanggungan, this one. Liability. What does it mean, liability? Who can answer teacher liability? Chapter 2, you learn already. Hutang perniagaan. Okay. Can So if let's say, in case, let's say for these two company, okay, no matter milikan tunggal or perkongsian, okay no matter milikan tunggal or perkongsian, okay. So bankruptcy, you know what is bankruptcy? Close down already the business, okay. So your business still hutang to the supplier, to the pembekal, okay. So you have that one we call liability tidak terhad. Tidak terhad, which means you have to use your personal money to settle the company debts. So the meaning is liability tidak terhad. Okay, you just memorize the liability terhad enough already. But teacher will explain and let you understanding what is the meaning of tidak terhad. Tidak terhad meaning that you have to use your personal money to settle the company debts. Okay, that one we call liability tidak terhad. All clear? Okay, how about liability terhad for syarikat berhad and koperasi again? for syarikat berhad and koperasi, which is the terhad, okay, you just tangkong, bear, okay, bear the capital only. You just lost how much you, okay, let's say you 2,000, you invest 2,000, so you also lost 2,000, meaning that you no need to use your own money to settle the debts, company debts. The balik lah. This one and this one is the balik. All clear? Yeah, okay, if profit or loss, then how? So no matter profit or loss, fully for the pemilik. So for this one, partners, so follow their agreement. Okay, follow their agreement. And then for the syarikat berhad and the koperasi, that one is dividend. Okay, dividend. In Chinese, we call this one, okay. Next, continue. Faktor pemilihan. So, apa kebaikannya? Apa kebaikannya? So, meaning is modal rendah loh. And then bebas membuat keputusan loh. Which means the owner can make decision themselves loh. Okay. So, for the perkongsian, they can gabungkan, okay, collect the modal together and collect the professional line. Okay, let's say teacher, I'm the account teacher. Of course, I know how to do the account loh. Then maybe Gately, so you are good to manage the company. So you are management department, no? So maybe Afiq, you're good to marketing. So then three of us, we manage a company. So but different department lah. So I control the account, I check the account, I do the account. For Afiq, then you go to marketing. Then for Gately, so maybe I forgot already. Just now your one is what already? So different professional lah. Okay, then join in a group, in a company, then to manage the company. Okay. So risiko kerugian ditanggung. So then this one if lost, then we can share each other. Okay, dibahagikan kepada all the pekongsi. Okay, nah? So for syarikat berhad, they can kumpulkan modal yang lebih besar. And then liability terhad, they no need use their own money to settle the company debts. This one is good for them lah. Okay. Even the company bankruptcy already. Okay. But you no need use your own money, personal money to pay. Okay. So this one is managed. Who manage? Anggota lo, the member lo. So let's say you join the Lion Club. So who manage the account? Who manage the club? So the member lo. Okay, all clear? Okay, next continue. I know more already. Okay. So for this one, I know a lot of here got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? At least you have to memorize 3 of it. Three, at least 3 to 4. Okay.